Okay, are you ready for an amazing dish that is just flavor city? It is so good. All right, first we're going to start off with our toast. You want a nice thick slice of sourdough. I got some garlic spread from the grocery store, and I'm just going to spread it on both sides of the toast, of the bread, using my cast iron skillet. So we'll get one side covered, we'll flip it over, we'll do the other side. Then I'm going to put this cast iron onto the flame at about medium heat, and we'll keep an eye on it. Should only take about 4 or 5 minutes per side. As a matter of fact, once I flipped this, my pan was a little bit too hot, so I had to turn the heat down a little bit. But we got it all toasted nice. So now you're going to need for one serving, 4 jumbo shrimp, 8 to 12 per pound size. That's 8 shrimp to 12 shrimp per pound. That size is what you're looking for. You can use smaller, but these big ones really set it off. Try and get them with the shell on. Cooking them with the shell is going to add more flavor. So we'll get our non-stick out. We'll place our 4 shrimp in there. We'll hit them with a little bit of olive oil. Just like that. Got the heat on medium-low. And we're going to let these cook for a little bit. We're going to add some garlic. If you have a microplane, you can microplane a couple cloves in there. All I had at the time was the garlic paste, so I'm going to put about 4 little droplets in there. And we'll give the pan a little spin to try to mix things up a little bit. And we'll let that go for a minute or two. And what else you're going to need is some lime juice and some chili crisp. Chili crisp you can always find in the Asian section of your grocery store. So it's almost time to flip. We'll give these a turn. And we'll add a couple dashes of lime juice. Just like that. And then 2 nice tablespoons of the chili crisp will go in. There we go. And then we'll give it another good mix. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of quality butter. And we'll let that melt down and start to cook, and that's going to give us a nice thick creamy delicious sauce. So while that's going on, I've got some Italian parsley. I'm just going to cut some of the tips off and give it a quick chop, because we're going to add the parsley right at the end for a little flavor and some color. So once we get all this chopped up, we'll move back to our shrimp. And we're going to take that toast. Well, let's finish this off first. We're going to a couple dashes of the parsley on the shrimp. And that big piece of toast we're going to cut in half, because that's going to be 2 servings, half and half. So we got 1 half there. We're going to put 2 shrimp on top, and then 1 on each side. And then we're going to pour that amazing sauce that is the star of the show right over the top of everything, and serve it up, and you've got yourself a delicious either appetizer, or you can actually make it a meal, because it's a pretty good amount of shrimp there. They are big, but this is dynamite. Anyways, hey, remember to like, share, subscribe. New show every Wednesday, every Sunday. Hit that bell to stay up to date, and we will see you on the next video. And I appreciate you all very much.